How to find coordinates on Google Maps. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily find coordinates on Google Maps. So first thing, just head over to your Google Maps application and make sure you are logged into your account, and just select any of the place of which you want coordinates from. And once you select it, as soon as you select the place or hold on to long press on that particular place, just tap on this top bar, search bar, and just select this coordinates which you just seen, and copy this. And once you copy it, so now when you come back to any other location and simply again head over to the search bar and just paste the location over here, that means your coordinates, and simply search it, you will be heading right back to that same particular place where you just copied that from. So you can also select the direction button to actually show where it is in the Google Maps. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.